What's up, you guys? Welcome back to J&A's Kitchen. It's me, Jose, and this is Aliyah. So today, we're gonna be making some homemade popcorn. So I'm turning on the stove. Gotta get yourself a pot. I'm gonna pour some butter into the pan.
How much are you pouring in?
As much as I want. Gotta eyeball it. Okay, people. Now you gotta put 3 kernels.
What if I put 2?
Not 2, but 3.
What if I want to put 4?
Don't put 4. Aliyah, I love you. I like you. Gotta space them out. La vida loca, look at that. Put this on the lid. Gotta wait for at least 1 kernel to pop. Then once that kernel pops, that's when you know it's ready to put.
How much popcorn do you put in?
A handful. The palm of your hand. So Aliyah, tell me. Is that chew toy your teether delicious? Yeah? Ooh, mustard! Mustard? Is it a mouse? Is it a feline? Is it a tiger? No, it's Smokey! Smokey, 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 Smokey. And her sidekick, Aliyah. Smokey, 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 Smokey. Oh, look at it's ready.
You don't put salt or anything?
No.
Not too often.
Not too often. You gotta let it sit.
Now what?
Now you gotta shake it up. 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 Make you hear the popping.
A few minutes later.
No more.
You gotta turn it to the sports. Ooh, I gotta get my bowl. But you gotta show that.
Nothing.
Think it's ready?
Yeah.
Woo. That last one didn't want to come. Then we're gonna put some popcorn seasoning. put lot. And there you go. There you have it. Tapaka.